Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Paybis. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paybis.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Paybis website. In order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the login button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Copy this code and then paste it in the given box, and now you will be logged in to your Paybis account right away and you can directly start trading after you complete your verification. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Paybis. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.